Good evening and welcome. I'm Sheila Balgobin and I am the Dream Decipherer, and I help you to crack the code of your sleep and dreams so you can sleep sound and dream deep. This evening, I'm going to take a little bit of a look at the relationship between sleep quality, and genetics. And we know that sleep duration will vary greatly between individuals, and sometimes this is by choice. Uh, Sometimes we may decide to trade an extra hour of sleep to watch that box set on Netflix or to finish the chapter of a book before dozing off. Common activities for many people. However, for some people, dozing off is, or getting to sleep, is a real task, real difficult chore. And why is this? And what exactly is the relationship with our genes? In an international collaboration led by the University of Exeter and published in Nature Communications, a major study found 47 links between our genetic code and the quality, quantity, and timing of our sleep. They include 10 new genetic links with sleep duration and 26 links with sleep quality. And among these different regions uncovered, there was a gene that was named PDE11A. And what the research team found was that an uncommon variant of this gene affects not only how long we sleep, but our quality of sleep as well. And the gene had previously been identified as a possible drug target for the treatment of people with neuropsychiatric disorders, which are associated with mood stability and social behavior. This team involved colleagues from the Center for Sleep and Circadian Neurobiology in Pennsylvania, Massachusetts General Hospital, as well as researchers from the Netherlands, France, and Switzerland. Collectively, what they found was that the genetic regions linked to sleep quality are also linked to the production of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that's associated with feelings of happiness and well-being. Serotonin is also known to play a key role in sleep cycles and is believed to help promote deeper and more restful sleep. The findings also revealed 76 novel gene regions which are associated with sleep duration. The study revealed that carrying just one of these genetic variants influenced sleep duration by up to 1 minute. Carrying a greater number of variants was found to translate to up to an additional 22 extra minutes of sleep on average per night. Short sleep duration was also found to be genetically associated with traits such as smoking and insomnia, whereas long duration variants were linked with schizophrenia, coronary artery disease, and type 2 diabetes. The group also found further evidence that restless leg syndrome is linked to poorer sleep from the genetic variants they found, which were associated with sleep measures indicated in the data that was collected. There's also evidence to indicate that lack of sleep may lead to DNA damage. Well, while we know how it affects our well-being in general, lack of sleep can lead to feeling groggy, unproductive, and on some occasions cranky and even physically unwell. And despite the model that states that sleeping is cheating, the reality is that not getting enough sleep can actually have a negative impact on our DNA. In a study that was conducted among medical professionals, researchers analyzed the impact of night shifts in 49 healthy full-time doctors. The baseline blood samples were taken from each doctor after 3 consecutive days of adequate sleep. 24 of those participants were then required to work overnight on site and had additional blood samples taken on a morning after acute sleep deprivation. Alarmingly, what they found was that the overnight on-site call participants had lower baseline DNA repair gene expressions and an increased number of DNA breaks or little cuts in the DNA sequences compared to those who had not completed a night shift. The researchers noted that larger studies would actually need to be done, which looked at the relationship between DNA damage, sleep, chronic disease, as a result of this research. So you may think that, staying up a few hours late or losing a day or two here of sleep is not such a big deal, but at cellular level, at DNA level, it can actually be quite harmful and cause genetic changes that can be quite damaging. So there you have it, and sleep and genetics. There is a link, and more research is being done all the time on the subject. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Have a great evening and a start to the week, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.